afternoon guys, and welcome back to another episode. So today it's me, Raymond, and Anisha. We are fishing Surfer Bay after work. It is now 6:30. We want to try for some cows, cop and some big pailies. We're not interested in sand sharks. That's why we are making some nice small baits. And yeah, this is the first throw for the afternoon. Hopefully, look, there swims the eagle in the way. Go for my stop. Okay guys, so I'm gonna stop this video just here. I'm not gonna upload this one yet, but I have something special to upload. I don't know what you guys are gonna think about it, but this is where it all started. This was the first time I picked up a camera and wanted to make an episode, and it did go well, I think. But yeah, we didn't talk on this one. I edited on my phone. I didn't have the computer at that stage. I didn't have the edit program. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope the music.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still. Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now. Cause someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. 'Cause I wanna like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. 'Cause I wanna like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, don't even try.
Watching. Yeah, I don't know if you liked it. I hope you do. I had a good laugh watching this. And then yeah, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, anything you want to ask. It helped us a lot. The more interaction there is with the video, the better it is for the other people to see it. And then watch out for the next upload next week. It's gonna be a banger of a video. See you guys again soon. Thanks.